Okay. Hi everyone. So today we will see the remaining topics for initial setup. Uh, so yesterday, in the previous session, we covered these topics, right, until business units. So today we will see uh, implementation project, accounting calendar, currencies, and if time permits, we'll see one more topic. Okay, so we'll get into start. So first, implementation project. So, so once we are about to start a project, right? So, um, we might need some tool to handle all the issues, to assign issues, right, to the team members, project team members. So for this, we might use some tools like Jira or some project other service now. So these kind of tools we can use. Uh, so in Oracle Fusion Cloud, in Oracle Fusion Cloud itself, it will provide an option to create this project and assign tasks. So we will see how to create a project and how to assign those tasks, right, to the rest of team members. So usually the implementation project will be created by the project manager. So as a project manager or someone who have rights to this setup and maintenance will log into the environment, and uh, so in the profile icon, right, whatever settings, right, so first we should go to setup and maintenance. So in our sessions or in our this Oracle Fusion Cloud, right? So mostly we will go to this setup and maintenance area to change any profile option or any setting. So since this is a enterprise application, right? So everything, no need to build or no need to configure everything from using some code. Okay. Uh, as an admin, right? As an administrator, so you can just go to some screen and just change the value, so that um, um, you don't need to go into the application, change the code, then application behavior will change. So that's not the case here. Just change the setting so that application will work uh, as expected. So this is also up to certain limit. So whatever configurations or setups that supports using this setups uh, can be done here. So the remaining ones can be done using some application composer tool or using some groovy code or some other setups. Once you go to this screen, setup and maintenance screen, um, so we have this setup, right? So where we can select the offering. Okay, so this is that screen. If you want to change something in within this sales module, so we need to go to change feature obtain, right? So and then you have this actions, so where you can uh, export, import, right? Uh, for this whole module, for sales module, whatever module you select here, so that the actions will apply for that, some common actions. Okay, there are yeah, mostly everything, right? These are specific to the selected offering here. So in our case, we will select sales. Okay, so from here we can export all the setup data that is relevant to sales module. Okay, then So we have this task menu here. If I click on this, we have a few options. The first option is manage implementation project. So we will click on this. So we can see here the multiple implementation projects. So if you are using a fresh instance or new instance, you will not have all of this implementation project. Suppose you are implementing CX sales module, right? So then you will create a new implementation project, give the project name like CX sales implementation phase 1. Okay. So it takes automatically some of the names, codes and all. So then status, initially it will be not started. Then assign to like usually the project manager, start date and end date. So then click next. So now we can see what are all the modules available in Oracle Fusion Cloud, right? Or whatever the modules that are enabled in offerings. So we can see those modules here. So if you want to implement some HCM application, so they can select HCM modules, right? If they are implementing financials, so they can select that financial module here. So in our case, we will be selecting sales. If we select sales, so under that, we can see some submodules, sales catalog and products, accounts. So, right. So we can select those, whatever. Suppose if we are not using data quality and customer hub, we can unselect that. Sales campaign, we are not using. Leads, we are using. Opportunities, we are using. Territories, we are using. Sales forecasting, maybe we might not needed this at this time. Or quotas, we might need. Business plans, we don't need. Then like this, integrations or application extensions. We'll select whatever we want. So you can select multiple modules here, not only sales. If your project is for multi-pillar, right? So HCM, ERP, everything. So you can select multiple modules also, but it is better because same team cannot might not do all modules, right? So it is better to create for each module one separate project, and the status can be tracked from that project.
Sorry to interrupt. From
One
where
minute.
you started? Okay. Okay.
Okay. So once we selected all the submodules, then we can save and open the project. It will take a few minutes. And since it's a demo instance, there might be some delay. Okay, so it's created. So now this is the project created. So here, if we see, if we expand, right? So we can see the whatever the profile options are, the setup tasks that are required or that are optional. So we can see from here. So now, suppose in your team, so suppose first 3 tasks you will assign to some person, and next task you will assign to different person. So then you will select those tasks. So it allows multi-select. Then you can click on this assign tasks. You can assign the users here. Okay. Okay. So it will be assigned to them. Let me reopen. Okay, let me select a proper user. Okay. But somehow it's not assigning properly. But this is the way. Just you assign uh, using this assign tasks. You just search for the user and add that user to this list. Let me do one more time. Oh, okay, okay, fine. It's already assigned. It assigned at a task level, so not at folder level. So inside we have this users. Fine. Uh, so now once we assigned them, so they will. So basically, they can also track. They will open this the team members, right? They will open this same project, and they will see whatever the tasks that are assigned to them, and uh, they can go to their tasks from here. So now yesterday we opened from setup and maintenance and then that area, right? So now suppose if I'm the assigned person, so I can go to this task and then I can directly perform here. And once it is completed, this task is completed. So you need to go to you need to go to this task and click on edit status and click completed. So it's a manual, it is not automated. So once you complete all of these tasks, right? So then uh, as a project manager also, you can see the progress here. We have view reports. So you can check this reports. To check the overall project status. Okay. You can see this report here, and then maybe you can verify what and all completed, etc. From the sheet. And once your team completes all the changes, then you will go to this project level. Okay, and then you can make it in progress. Once it completed, then you can make it complete. So it's all manual. So you need to manage manually all this status, etc. So basically, it's a project management tool to complete tasks. Uh, so that's all about implementation projects. So next topic will take accounting calendar. Okay.